We have to learn to extend hand of fellowship to people. That is the truth. We cannot continue to be a winner-take-it-all thing. We need to bring people in, work with the people, and let our scars heal. That's what I believe we can do. While campaigning, I promise that by the grace of God, I'll pursue a ministry of reconciliation. And that has been on the front burner of everything we have done. So I want to thank Akwa Ibom people. Thank all of you that have traveled all the way. Thank our party, the PDP. And I want to say I respect the PDP. I love the PDP. And you know it. But you see, we all know that the way things are. So whatever happens, wherever the journey of life will take me, I will always love you. We've made strong friendship, and we'll continue to keep that friendship. If you have anything to do, invite me. I will come. I will always be there. But it's time to progressively move. And we want to say that again will not affect anything in this state. Do not. We don't rule or govern based on political affiliation. I love to see that all our party leaders will always sit like this. We will consider Akwa Ibom and in all the things we do. And we know that we have Akwa Ibomites in PDP, in APC, in YPP, in IPAC. We will find a way around all of those. What is important is let there be food, let there be security, let there be welfare for our people, and I think the Arise agenda makes provision for all that. So whenever anybody flies into Akwa Ibom, please drop your party toga and just know that you are flying into a united Akwa Ibom. And we thank you. Thank you so much for tonight. I continue to covet your prayers. That's the most important thing. The peace we have enjoyed couldn't have happened without prayers. And that's why I recognize our fathers in faith for the work they have done. Thank you so much. You have just placed more responsibilities on our shoulders. And I can tell you, we've heard loud and clear. To whom much is given, much is expected. So to my team members, you know that Akwa Ibom has just placed a greater burden on our shoulders, and I wish there was more than 24 hours, but we'll continue to do our best. Thank you very much to my family, my children, my brothers, my grandchildren. You've been amazing. Thank you so much. And sometimes it's tough. For me now, I'm a father, I'm a mother, I manage everybody. Thank God for Helen, Jane, and everybody.